Azure Repos now offers a customizable default branch name for Git, which can be set per project or per organization. Let's see how in today's 3 Minutes Friday. Hi everybody, welcome back to CoderDave and welcome to a new episode of the 3 Minutes series. In each episode, I will try and explain a concept or showcase a product or service, or yet try and teach you something, and all in just 3 minutes. Short videos, big value, hopefully. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and if you want to learn about DevOps, especially with Azure DevOps and GitHub, just click on the subscribe button below right now and turn on the notifications so you will not miss any new videos. Today we talk about the default branch name in Azure Repos and how to change it. But let's start the clock and get into it. To change the default branch name for new repositories in Azure Repos, you have two options. You can either do it at project level or at organization level. To change it at project level, you just go to the project settings, you scroll down to repositories, and in here you click on settings. Here we have these repository settings, and you can flag on this switch. When we do so, we can then change the default branch for our new repositories. For example, let's say I want my default branch name to be main. If I try to create a new repo, let's call it new repo, and if I go back to Azure Repos, you'll see that for the new repo I just created, the default branch is main. And I can double confirm that clicking on branch, and I'll see that main is my default branch. As I said before, this is true only for newly created repos inside this project. If you want to change the default branch for an existing repo instead, you just go to Dev Repo, inside branches, and you click on the branch you want to be your default branch, and you can click on set as default branch. When you do so, this branch has become my default one. This is good, but if you have a lot of projects in your Azure DevOps organization, it will take you forever to go in all projects and change it. So this is where the new org level setting comes into the picture. Before we move into that, just hit the like button below if you're enjoying this video. It will help the channel growing and it will mean the world to me. To change the default branch name for new repos at org level, you need to go to the organization settings. Once again, scroll down to repositories, and in here, again, we can flip this on and change the name of the branch. Let's set it to new default branch. And now if I go back and I can go in any project in the repos section, I can create a new repo, and as you can see, the new repo has the new default branch as default branch. And once again, I can go back to branches and confirm that this is the default one. Remember that even if you enable this setting at the org level, you can still change the default branch name for new repos at project level if you want, and that will override the org level setting. And we're done. Let's stop the clock. Today I definitely stayed within the 3 minutes, haven't I? Let me know in the comment section below what is your default branch name of choice. Azure Repos now offers a customizable Azure DevOps organization. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I see you in the next video here at CoderDave.